Welcome to another alteration and addition project by DP Design Studio. The Sydney office was engaged to convert the 20-year-old family home into a modern, spacious, light-filled family sanctuary, and this is the result. In just 6 short weeks, the transformation was revealed, and the owners were astounded with the outcome, falling completely in love with their renovated, vibrant home. The open-plan kitchen, laundry and ensuite was thoughtfully redesigned and reinstated, combining style and sophistication with a sense of luxury. Reimagining the 20-year-old home into a modern, spacious family haven. Full credit to the Sydney team for another incredible result. The Proficient team is involved with design, project management and interior fit-outs for both residential and commercial projects. DP Design Studio is a client-focused boutique high-end architect and interior design firm, specialising in new builds, home renovations and interiors for residential and commercial projects. It's all about delivering a hassle-free quality outcome. The staircase was also updated, continuing the brand new flooring, and throughout you'll find new contemporary lighting with fresh paint inside and out. DP Design Studio has a 5-star rating for outstanding work ethics, communication and project management. The design ethos at DP Design Studio is to create sustainable living spaces which match clients' expectations and budget. So get in touch to create your very own practical, luxurious but affordable solution today.